SaveForNeeds.com presents. When should you start investing? 5 tips to begin investing. An investing guide you should follow is, start investing right from the time you get your first paycheck. The sooner you invest, the higher would be the potential returns on your investment. To invest, you should save money. The more you save, the more you can invest. Live within your means, and you would have money available for investing. Reduce your expenses to save, or save further. Spend only on needs, and not on wants, to save and invest money. Increase your income, for example, doing freelance work. Extra money means, you can allocate it for expenses, and investment. Content writing, tutoring, or graphics designing are just few of the freelance work you can take online. Invest in FD, mutual fund, equities, gold, and/or other investment avenues based on your risk profile, financial needs, money desires, age, and life goals. In young age, you can sow more money in high-risk, high-return investments, such as equities, as you would have higher capacity to handle risks.